If you're a photographer, you already know the awkward part of the job isn't always the photography. It's the writing. The bio on your website, the client pitch, the inquiry responses. Trying to sound professional without sounding robotic. And that's exactly where Claude becomes ridiculously useful. Today, I'm going to show you how photographers are using Claude to write better bios, better outreach emails, and better inquiry responses in minutes, without sounding fake, stiff, or AI generated. All right, let's start with your bio. Every photographer needs one. Your website, Instagram, inquiry emails, portfolio pages, all of it. But writing about yourself is weirdly difficult because you think visually, not verbally. Here's the exact prompt to paste into Claude. Write a professional photographer bio for my website. My name is your name. I specialize in your niche. I've been shooting for X years. My style is your style. I'm based in your city. I want the tone to feel warm and approachable, not stiff or corporate. Keep it under 150 words. That's it. Claude gives you a polished bio in seconds. And if it doesn't sound quite right the first time, just tell Claude what to change. Make it more casual. Make it more emotional. Add a sentence about how I work with clients. Claude adjusts instantly. Now let's talk about something photographers usually avoid completely: outreach emails. A lot of photographers want more clients, but never actually reach out because writing those emails feels uncomfortable. Or worse, they send generic copy-paste messages that immediately sound spammy. Claude fixes that too. Try this prompt. Write a short outreach email for a photographer. I'm your name, your niche photographer based in your city. I'm reaching out to type of business to introduce my services. My style is your style. I want the email to feel professional, but personal, not salesy. Keep it under 150 words and include a natural call to action. Claude writes the whole email for you. You personalize a few details, maybe add a sentence about their business, and suddenly you have a polished pitch ready in under 2 minutes. And here's where this gets even better. The more context you give Claude, the stronger the output becomes. If you're contacting a boutique bridal shop, tell Claude that. If the business focuses on luxury weddings or modern branding, include it. Claude tailors the tone around the client you're actually trying to reach. Now let's go one step further because this is something most photographers never think about. Inquiry response templates. When someone fills out your contact form, that first reply sets the tone for the entire relationship. Instead of rewriting the same email over and over, Claude can build reusable templates for you. Use this. Write a photographer inquiry response template. The client is interested in type of photography. I want to thank them for reaching out, ask a couple qualifying questions, and mention that I'll send my pricing guide. Keep it friendly, warm, and brief. Done. Now you have a polished response template you can reuse every time a new inquiry comes in. And honestly, that's the bigger picture here. You didn't become a photographer to spend half your time writing emails and bios. You became a photographer to create. Claude helps remove a lot of the business side friction, so you can spend more time actually shooting, editing, and working with clients. If this video helped you, subscribe and hit the notification bell because I post daily Claude AI tips like this. Hit the like button so more photographers can find this video. And drop a comment below. What's the hardest thing for you to write as a creator? I read every comment. See you in the next one.